Team, we're about to change the way you eat your wings for your tailgate. Listen, you ain't gonna wanna miss this one. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. So glad you're here. Guys, we are taking tailgate wings and we're gonna take them to the next level today. We are gonna do a little fusion, right? You like your crispy wings? Hell yeah, you do. You like your queso and chips? See, of course you do. We're gonna combine them both. We're doing queso wings today. I could be crazy or I could be a genius. You guys decide in the comments down below. But before we get started, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Guys, see that spot right there? That's where we're putting the play button when we hit 100,000. Let's make it happen. Hit that subscribe button, all right? Don't forget to hit a like too while we're here, all right? This is gonna be a good one, guys. Trust me on that one. All right, so what we already have going on, we have some oil in my Dutch oven pot over here on the stove. We're gonna take it up to about 375. We're gonna fry up some awesome wings, right? We got the little party wings, the little drums and the flats. And as I always say on my wing videos, I'm team flats all the way. And then we're gonna make my standard Rotel Velveeta queso dip. All right, I've done this a bunch of times. Put the recipe for it down below, but it's very simple. Got some pepper jack already cubed up in there. Got half a block of Velveeta, cup of milk, some Rotel, a little sweet heat rub. We're using 2 different kinds of sweet heat rub on this one. Using some Uncle Steve shake for the wings. And then we're gonna use a little Daddy Dutch BBQ's sweet heat rub. And I know he's working on this year's batch. So if y'all go over there to Daddy Dutch BBQ, hit up one of his videos and you ask him to make a bottle for you, never know, he might just do it, all right? I'll put a link down below to this channel. Check it out, all right? So I love sweet, I love heat, I love how it all comes together in that queso mix. Guys, this is gonna be awesome. We're using cornstarch for a little bit of crunch on them wings. Little Uncle Steve shake, sweet and spicier with the cornstarch. Mix it all up, good to go, all right? Now, let's go and get started, all right? I'm excited for this one. We're changing the tailgate game. All right, let's go. All right, team, we're over here on the island. We're gonna start getting these wings dredged up. I've already put a little salt on them, let them sit for a little bit. We're gonna do a little bit of cornstarch in there. It's in a little baggie, probably about a cup's worth. Then we got our sweet and spicier by Uncle Steve's. I'll put a link down below for that. We're gonna pour a fair amount in there too. Put that over to the side. Get our little mixing bag right here. I'm gonna seal it up just enough to kind of get these mixed up together. Okay, let's get these wings in there, get them shook up. Then we're gonna put them on this tray over here and rest while the oil's going. Mix up this batch first. We're just looking to coat the wings with the seasoning and the cornstarch. So we have our wings in this bag. We're gonna shake off the excess, place them on this rack, and then rinse and repeat. All right, y'all, we're on the stove over here. We got the oil heated up. Our chicken's been dredged through that cornstarch and Uncle Steve shake. So once we start frying the wings, we're gonna start melting up that queso too. I'm gonna go pretty quickly through this. Do the wings in batches. Gonna take them to about 175, 180 internal. As always, we're gonna be checking with my instant read thermometer. Got a little rack on the side over here with some paper towels underneath it. So when we put our wings, our freshly fried wings on that tray, it'll drain off all that excess grease, season them up a little salt, and we're ready to plate, all right? So let's get over to the stove and we're gonna keep moving and grooving through this thing, all right? Let's check our temps on that oil. We want it between 350 and 375, about 380, so it's not too bad. When we put these wings in, it will definitely cool it down, okay? Lay them down away from you. And like I said, we're gonna do them in batches so we don't overcrowd. Let's go ahead and get some heat underneath our queso over here. Like I said, we already cut up our pepper jack in there. We got our big block of Velveeta. We're gonna add our Rotel chilies in, okay? Got a cup of milk. I'm using whole milk. Just kind of helps smooth it out. And then, like I said, little Daddy Dutch's sweet heat. Straight peppers from the garden. Okay, go easy on it. Some good peppery goodness right there. It's a little redundant, good peppery goodness. And just for some continuity, we're gonna throw a little bit of Uncle Steve shake in there too. Let that all start coming together. Good eating. We're gonna give that queso a mix. We broke down the Velveeta a little bit. Get everything nice and incorporated in there. Broken down so it all melt up real nice. We have it on a pretty medium to high heat right now. All right, team, our wings are looking good. They're temping out. Got a nice golden color on them. Gonna be nice and crispy. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out and put them on this tray. Got our little spider here to help drain them. And the first thing we're gonna do is salt them immediately. So that salt sticks. We just got a little kosher salt. Put those wings aside. We'll add another batch of wings. All right, let's get a little check on the queso. Everything's nice and melty in there. Creamy goodness. So all we're gonna do is put this on a low simmer. This is ready to go. I have to go get me some chips while we're waiting for those wings to finish up, huh? All right, team, this is the most simple recipe for queso you'll ever have. It's done. It's just gonna sit there and kind of slowly simmer while we're waiting for them wings to finish cooking up. And then you'll see the fusion of the future, all right? Comment down below, what do you think? Genius or crazy? I think genius. Let me know. Team, the wings are done. Took a couple batches, but that's all right. Looking good. So I got them on a tray. We got some Tostitos around it. Wings in the middle, right? Let's pour that queso over the top. What do you say? We'll try to do it nice and slow-mo style, all right? Let's go. All right, guys, wings are piled high. Got a nice bed of Tostitos in there. Let's do the pour, baby. Get that queso on there. And you know we need to put a little greenery in there, get our green onions on. There's the dish. That's queso chicken wings right there. Boom, mind blown, genius. Now let's try one. Right, you know I'm team flats. Let's go. Man, towel worthy, finger licking good. Wow, all right, just wow. Give it a try, thank me later. Guys, this is what your tailgate, your football parties, all that stuff, what they aspire to be is this tray right here. Queso chicken wings, that's right. All right, guys, listen, if you guys want to get anything I use in my videos, hold up. Let me get another bite. You know, grab me a chip too. All right, where was I? All right, guys, if you want anything that I use in my videos, make sure you hit those links down below. The queso recipe will be broken down in the video description below too. Wings were just cooked in hot oil at 375, about 10 minutes, maybe 15. Depends on how dark you like them, how crispy and crunchy you like them, okay? If you want to become a show producer like all these lovely people scrolling across the screen, people who think I'm a genius for coming up with this queso wings recipe, hit that join button right next to that subscribe button so you can be a part of CJ's crew for real. All right, other than that, we are done. You guys enjoy the games going on today. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.